Well, it's super important to understand that most of the patients that come into my office come in requesting some advice regarding vitamins and minerals. The issue is that they're taking vitamins, minerals. They don't know what the quality of the vitamins are. They don't know what the dosage should be. They don't really understand why they're taking the multivitamins, multiminerals. Usually it's because a friend recommended it or somebody else was taking it and it was a good idea to copy them. And most of all, it's advice from a large food chain or a vitamin shop, which recommends these vitamins for somebody who pretty much has minimal amount of knowledge in regards to the type of vitamins, the minerals that they should be taking, at what time they should be taking, the dosage, which would be appropriate for that person. And frankly, most of them had never had a good physical exam and might be taking vitamins unnecessarily, or maybe taking or missing, more importantly, vitamins that they should be taking. And there's some great stuff out there in product land, but most of them are not really of great quality. So I advise my patients to go on to DZ Logic because they have a great form, a great system. They ask you a nice medical history, so they get some guidance in regards to what's appropriate for you. The design of the program is by world-renowned Dr. Sergey Zugin, who is an expert in human physiology. You can kind of read any of his books and multiple articles he has written. He's a lecturer around the world. So they're credentialed physicians and scientists who are advising you on what is your proper or the appropriate recommendations for your vitamins and minerals. And lastly, you're taking vitamins and minerals today. You're spending the money today, but probably spending it not appropriately and without any guidance. And what I recommend is just shift where you're spending the money, where you're not getting the proper advice and maybe just kind of wasting your money, and use the same amount of money and get on a program that actually helps you. Especially most physicians don't have the time to sit down with you and take care of the vitamins and mineral needs because we're dealing with other more complicated conditions. So it's only appropriate that a program like Simple helps my patients, and I recommend it highly. I recommend it to all my patients. I just don't have the time, nor does my staff have the time. And I'm sure that if you're watching this, your physicians will agree that they don't have the time to sit down with you and go over every vitamin and mineral and the appropriate usage, the appropriate dosage, the quality of the vitamins. So if you are taking vitamins and minerals, I recommend DZ Simple to be an appropriate program for you.